I received a request from a team member that do not know how to start to create the YouTube banner. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to show you how to use the Canva to create the YouTube banner. So I'm going to log into the Canva now. All right, from here, then I would like to actually find YouTube channel art. There are many different template here. Then you can just choose the right template, and after that, then you can. Okay, so then you can just take one from here. Right. So assuming that actually this is a Susan KLCC specialist. Then this is probably the logo, Susan logo. We put one logo in. So then we minimize logo. Okay, example lah. Then we replace this one. And after that, I put in Susan's photo. Just put in one photo. Okay, so assuming this is Susan. All right. So then we actually put this one, minimize the Susan photo. Then that's it. All right. So then after that, what actually we did, we want to do is we want to download this piece of information. We put it as a PNG, download. So after we download ready, then you can see that it appear in the laptop. So we just need to go back to our laptop to find this banner art, and now it's ready for us to upload. So what you do now is just go back to this download in your laptop or MacBook, then you can see Susan KLCC specialist. That's it. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that you can get the clue now how to create the channel art.